Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Do you guys remember last year when I posted the video about the reused carport greenhouse? Yeah, it's been a little while. We are gonna start work on that here this week, and I am super excited about it. So today is going to be some prep work to start that, and I wanted to show you guys kind of what I need to do in order to get things prepped. All right, so here she is. This is the carport frame that the last video had, and that's about as far as we got on it last year, was just getting the frame put back together. And we have some things to do to prep this space. This is where it's going, but we need to move all of the pallets out of the way so I have room to work. And then we made some changes to the original idea of this greenhouse. So we were just going to reuse the entire thing and just throw some plastic over it and call it a day. Well, after having a year to kind of sit on it and really think about this greenhouse, the reason we're repurposing this in the first place was because it blew away. And we really don't want that to happen again. So we are going to replace the posts with 8-foot 4x4s that are going to be concreted into the earth. So this is going to make it a very solid structure. It's going to keep it from blowing away, and just make it more structurally sound, especially after it, blew away. So what I'm going to be working on today is I'm going to be moving all of these pallets out of the way. I'm going to be marking where I want all of the 4x4 posts to go, and then I'm going to be digging holes to prep for the posts and concrete. So I'm gonna get you guys set up here on a tripod, and this is probably just going to be time-lapsed. I'm literally just moving pallets, digging holes, and doing all of the prep work today. So hopefully this video doesn't bore you guys, but it is the start of a project, and usually the start of a project is kind of boring. So all right, well, let me get you guys set up, grab some tools, and get started. All right, so we got the space all cleared up. I moved all the pallets over there. We were just gonna repurpose those for other things, but I think most of them need burnt now after sitting out all winter. But they're moved, so now I have space to work. And now we're just going to straighten up these posts as best as I can, mark where I want the holes, and start digging. Alrighty guys, so it is day 2 of prepping this greenhouse. I got 5 of the 10 holes dug, but I didn't want to continue digging holes until I had some help. My dad is coming to help me set the posts soon, and I wanted to get his opinion on hole placement so that I'm not having to dig the holes a second time. So let me show you what I got done, and we'll wrap this video up for the day. So I ran a straight line along this side of the greenhouse so that is hopefully straight with the fence line. And I got all of these holes dug on this side. And I started on this side over here with this one, but I'm not sure alignment for the rest of them because the frame is so skewed out of shape. So I wanted to get his opinion before I start digging the rest of the holes. And that way I only have to dig the holes once. I don't have to do it twice. Everything is in the right place. And it'll give us a good sturdy foundation to build this greenhouse on. If you guys have any questions so far, or even tips and tricks for me, that would be great. Go ahead and leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.